Here's the wild joy in her natural habitat, part 2.
I hate you. Doesn't she sound like a little puppy?
Yep. Hey, Bonnie, what do you have to say? What do you have to say about that?
The puppy hiccups.
The puppy hiccups. Oh crap! The continuation of the anime sneeze.
Cat sandpaper tongue is. Oh, so she hiccups.
Yep.
Why did you say it?
Like at the very worst times, she hiccups.
Please stop recording.
No, you can't tell me what to do, lady. This is my camera.
I don't care.
It's my videos, my channel. I can do whatever I want. I can do what I please.
Oh my god, I wish I was recording this. Oh wait, Jaden, stop it.
No. This is gonna go on forever.
She's hiccuping again.
The infinite hiccup.
Are they gone?
No.
The puppy hiccups.
The puppy hiccups?
Jacob, can you scare me?
I'm gonna make this into a series.
What is it called? No, Alex.
It's gonna be. What? Nah, I don't even know. Chica.
Freddy, okay, wait, how is that an anime sneeze?
No, that's not an anime sneeze. That's a puppy hiccup.
No.
She said snake, she sneezes.
No, when she was sneezing earlier, you said that that was an anime sneeze. How is that an anime sneeze?
It
Did
is.
she stop?
Anime sneezes are normal, they're just normal.
No, they're not.
It's Japanese.
They're
Their voices are gonna be...
They're cute. They're cute sneezes like this one. This one right here.
No, they're not.
Yes.
Play it again.
No, they're not.
Nay, tune it up. Oh my god.
Have they finally gone?
My Lord, love is mine. Everyone shut up.
No.
Senpai, please scare me.
Sorry, I can't do that because I'm recording a video. No, don't worry. Don't worry. You'll be scared once I get this video out.
He needs some milk.
I hate you.
Kylie.
Yep. I love you too. All right.
You're going to kill. Hillary.
Stop it.
Nope. It's still going.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
Alright, bye everyone. I'm gonna leave her channel. Again, part 2. Puppy sneeze.
Wait, a puppy sneeze?
Oh, and not puppy sneeze, puppy hiccup. Puppy hiccup.
Wake me up inside.
Alright, and bye.